Is the Ontario housing market actually turning? There's a lot of commentary floating around about the housing market right now. Some headlines say prices are falling, others say we're at the bottom. Let's talk about what's actually happening calmly, clearly, and without theatrics. Because the market doesn't need drama, it needs perspective. What the data is actually showing us, yes, prices in parts of Ontario, including the GTA, have come down from their previous highs. That's real. In some cases, average prices are sitting below levels we haven't seen in a while. That does not mean homes are suddenly on clearance sale. It does mean momentum has slowed, buyers are more cautious, sellers don't have the same leverage they had in peak years. That's not a collapse, that's a market finding its footing. Real estate doesn't move in straight lines forever. Sales activity tells a bigger story. The other piece people miss is volume. Sales activity across Ontario has been quieter than during the peak years, and quieter markets feel slower. But slower doesn't mean frozen. It means buyers are thinking, they're comparing, they're negotiating. It's a more deliberate environment, which frankly is what balanced markets are supposed to look like. Markets don't turn because someone says they will. They respond to fundamentals: interest rates, affordability, population growth, confidence, and fluctuation in inventory. Right now, several of those factors are still working against rapid price growth. That doesn't mean things are broken. It means conditions are still adjusting. There's a difference. So what does this mean for buyers and sellers? If you're buying, slower conditions can mean more opportunity, but only if you move from a position of strength and not pressure. If you're selling, strategy matters more than ever. Preparation matters, pricing matters, presentation matters. The homes that are positioned properly still sell. The ones chasing yesterday's market won't. It's not harsh, it's just math. Markets like this reward clarity. They reward people who understand their numbers and their timing. They do not reward emotional decisions based on headlines. When things eventually shift, and they always do, the people who stayed steady tend to be the ones who benefit the most. So why does this conversation matter right now? There's a lot of noise. Some of it's loud, some of it's dramatic. Not all of it is useful. The goal isn't to predict the exact month something changes. The goal is to make informed decisions that make sense to you. That's it. There's no panic, no promises. It's just perspective, and I hope it helps.